Ngayon nga ay buwan ng Pebrero at kahit nakalipas na ang February 14, masasabi pa rin nating love is in the air. May exchange of gifts like flowers and chocolates at kahit moderno na ang halos lahat ngayon, nakatatanggap tayo ng mga digital Valentine cards pero mas masarap pa rin at kahit papaano ay nakakatanggap pa rin tayo ng mga traditional Valentine cards. And speaking about Valentine, there is a story about a priest in Rome during the 3rd century named Valentine. Si Valentine ay namuhay sa Roma during the reign of Emperor Claudius II, who was committed to rebuilding the once great Roman army. Naniniwala si Emperor Claudius II na importante na mag-volunteer ang mga lalaki for the armed service rather than drafting them into service against their will. Pero if given a chance, the young men in the Roman Empire refused to serve. They'd rather stay at home with their wives and their children than go into battle. Kaya, he issued a royal edict that banned all further marriages. Pero pagkatapos maipasa ni Emperor Claudius II ang law to ban further marriages, Valentine chose to ignore the mandate. Valentine secretly continued performing marriage ceremonies. He would whisper the words of the ceremony while listening for soldiers on the doorsteps. Isang gabi, while Valentine did hear footsteps at his door, the couple he was marrying escaped. Pero he was caught. He was thrown into jail and was sentenced to death. Habang nakakulong, sinasabing umibig si Valentine kay Julia, ang bulag na anak ng jail guard na si Asterius. Sa pamamagitan ng kanyang pananampalataya, milagrosong naibalik niya ang paningin ng dalaga. Legend says that Valentine actually wrote the first Valentine letter. Before his execution on February 14, 269 AD, he penned a letter to Julia, signing it from your Valentine. A phrase that endures to this day on Valentine's cards. I hope you learned something new today. If you want informative content like this, follow me for more. This is Rain's Chronicle, telling you things that matter. Until next time, bye!